Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumilayo Fatobero, and today I'm not going to do my regular tutorial or teach you how to get a visa, but I'm going to do something else that has to do with travel. And I'm going to talk about how to pack, what to pack when you are traveling with a toddler. So I'm traveling with two toddlers. We are going to the United States, and I'm going to be doing a video of what we are going to have in the toddler's backpack, because our flight, we have actually two long haul flights. So today my video basically is going to be what to pack in your toddler's backpack when you're doing a long haul flight. So yes, today I'll just be showing you, like I said earlier, what I'm going to have in my children's backpack. So this is for you. This is the summertime. You're looking to travel. You have a long haul flight. We have actually two long haul flights. We've got an 8-hour one from Lagos to Doha, and then we have Doha to Washington. So I'll start by showing you the backpack that my daughter will be using. This is a backpack, and because she's a Peppa Pig girl, she's going to have a Peppa Pig attached to a backpack. Now, next is a neck pillow for the plane in case she wants to sleep. Here, folded here, is a change of top in case she spills something on what she has on. Now we've got a tab. Now we've got tab for both of them, and because I don't really like my children to do screen time, they're just going to be on the tab probably an hour maximum. I'll engage them in other kind of things. So yes, for my daughter here, I've got a Lego. She likes to play with this, so I have this here. And right now they are going crazy about Paw Patrol. So yes, they've got the Paw Patrol characters, and we've got wax crayons and coloring books. So yes, she's got that. They've got the headphones for the tab. We've got apples. We've got clementines. We've got snacks for them to snack on, gummies, all of them, cocoa drink, And for the boy as well, my other twin is a boy. So yes, you have his own backpack as well, his pillow, the Peppa Pig, the change of t-shirt here as well, the tab, and then of course his own toys to play with, the coloring, wax pencils, fruits, because he likes to read. So there's an extra book for him. It's got his fruits, and of course it's got all of his snacks for the flight. And then in the center here is what we have for like all of us, which is wipes, regular everyday wipes. And then this, I was so excited to find this. This is actually disinfectant wipes, and it works. The aircraft can be dirty, and I was very excited when I found this. And it's also got a picture of an airplane on it, so you can wipe your tables before they eat. They can wipe their hands. We've got, my son has allergies, so we've got Claritin for his allergies. We've got pen relief in case anybody needs it on the aircraft. And we've got lip glosses, to moisturize our lips. It can get very dry on the aircraft. I've got this Boots paracetamol for myself. We've got a multi-purpose charger. It's got the various kind of mouth for our phones, for the tabs, and we've got a power bank as well, because we have like a 5-hour layover in Doha, and then from there we've got almost 15 hours to Washington DC. So yes, so for those of you that will be doing a long haul flight with your toddlers, this is suitable for children between the ages of 3 and 5. So that's what I'm catering for. Okay, so that's it. There you have it. That is what you pack in your toddler's bag when you are doing a long haul flight. So if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you've learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up. save it or send it to anyone that might find it useful. This is the summer period after all, and a lot of travel is going on. That will be all from me today. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.